India's 51st Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, has his imprint on several landmark judgments, such as upholding the sanctity of electronic voting machines, scrapping the electoral bond scheme, abrogation of Article 370, and granting interim bail to former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Hailing from an illustrious Delhi based family, Justice Khanna is the son of former Delhi High Court Judge Justice Devraj Khanna and the
I,
nephew of the
Sanjeev
iconic
Khanna,
late
having
former
been
Apex
appointed
Court
Chief
Judge
Justice of
H.R.
the
Khanna.
Supreme Court of
Born
India
on
having
14th
been
May
appointed
1960
Chief
in New
Justice
Delhi,
of
Justice
the
Khanna
Supreme
did
Court
his
of
schooling
India,
at
to swear
Delhi's
in the
modern
name of
school
God
and went
do
on to
swear in the
graduate
name
from the
of God
that
prestigious
I
St.
will bear
Stephen's
true
College.
faith and India is
He
by law
studied law at the
established.
Campus
that
Law
I will bear
Center,
true
Delhi
faith and
University,
I
allegiance
will
before
uphold the
enrolling as an
sovereignty and
advocate with the
integrity
Bar
of
to the
Council of
sovereignty
Delhi in
and integrity of
1983.
India.
He has a grip as the constitution is concerned. He has a grip as the tax is concerned. I personally feel that public at large will benefit from his vast experience as a lawyer. Then thereafter elevated as a judge of the Delhi High Court. Then he was elevated to the judge of the Honorable Supreme Court. Now he has taken over today as it 51 Honorable Chief Justice of India. His uncle, he was Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice H.R. Khanna in Supreme Court. Everybody know about Mr. H.R. Khanna. So he has the legal background to that extent. He has taken over things in the legacy to that extent. I personally feel because he has the legal acumen in his blood. So he will give the best result to the public at last, according to me.
Justice Khanna will serve as the CJI for a little over 6 months and demit office on May 13, 2025, upon attaining the age of 65. He succeeds Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, who demitted office on Sunday.